What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another update video on my G35 build. Bought this car from Copart back in October. Had some body damage over here, got that taken care of. Need a good wax and polishing, but also had a bent upper control arm, changed that. If you remember, the front had some damage to it, but I took care of that. And check it out, we upgraded the front, y'all. Took out them stock headlights, put in those aftermarket ones, black housing with the black tint, and yeah, she looks good. Changed the grill, got the badgeless grill on it. Gotta fix a couple of little plastic pieces hanging underneath. Probably missing a tab. Changed the side marker lights, put in the aftermarket black housing. Well, not the black housing, but the black tint on it. Then she's coming along. Didn't do any performance upgrades as of yet, so she's still stock under the hood. But think about getting an engine, cold air intake, and also thinking about doing a 400 horsepower upgrade from I think it's admin tuning. 400 horsepower upgrade. I'm gonna change the interior lights too. Those lights suck. Change those to LED. Still stock under the hood, but we gonna upgrade her. Thinking about getting some headers. Get some headers and probably a full exhaust. But the next thing I'm gonna do immediately is a sound system upgrade. Got the Bose system. It's decent, but we're gonna take it up a notch. So I ordered this box off of Amazon. 212s. Got the speakers, I just ain't put them in yet. Got 212s I'm gonna throw in there. And check this out. Got 4 6.5s, 2 6x9s for the back windows. These is for the interior, of course. And I got the TAR amps, 400 by 12 and the 1800 by 1 mono block. That's gonna power these 212s. This gonna power all the speakers on the inside. And that's the next upgrade we're looking at. Sound system. After that sound system, I'm gonna start looking towards the performance upgrades. And those performance upgrades cost a couple dollars, so trying to get some videos, crank some videos out, get some money rolling in from YouTube, and then I can take that money and buy the upgrades and do it like that. Engine need a little bit of cleaning, but other than that, she's pretty much good. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I'm gonna start going to Copart and doing some videos, walking around Copart, some Copart walk-arounds. May even purchase a few more vehicles. But this car's a good pickup. Got it for $5,000 to the door. Cost me another $1,500, $2,000 to fix it. So about $7 grand in. Not too bad. 69,000 miles. And I like her. She got some pep to her. So yeah, I'll probably keep her. I was trying to sell it for about $9 grand, but nobody gonna pay me $9 grand for no 2003. So probably just keep it and keep it in rotation. Buy me a couple more cars. Pretty much addicted to Copart now. Don't think I'll ever buy another car from a dealer. I'd rather just buy it from Copart, fix it, and save a bunch of money that way. But yeah, this is the baby. As of right now, I had to come down and get some temp tags, because I don't got the plates for it. I ain't registered yet. Jeez, look at that fingerprint. But yeah. This is what's going on with the G35 build so far. Gotta get a wax polish and cleaned up real good. Get a few performance upgrades. And it's pretty much good. But I'm definitely gonna be cracking out some more videos. Gotta get my YouTube together. I know consistency is key. And a few people hit me telling me they like my videos, so let me get it together. Get these YouTube videos going on. Build my foundation, my platform. Follow me on Instagram at the I Don't Know Show. TheIDontknowsho. It's your boy from the I Don't Know Show. Hitting y'all with an update on the G35 build. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna crank out a few more videos for y'all. Check me out on Instagram. Show love. Comment, subscribe, like. And I'll definitely hit y'all back. Till then, stay safe.